Buttermilk waffles are my all-time favorite waffle recipe. I've gotten a cow recently, and so when I make my butter, I get buttermilk as a byproduct, so it's wonderful to be able to make this with that. And it's really easy. I just start with 2 cups worth of flour, add 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and half of a teaspoon of salt. I'll then mix together all of those dry ingredients, and you wouldn't think it was that important to separate out the dry and the wet ingredients until you hit a clump of baking soda or baking powder that didn't get mixed in well. And then you think, oh, okay, there was a reason for that. Not that I've ever done that myself. Now I'll set my dry ingredients off to the side, and I'll take 2 eggs. The first thing that I want to do is whip up those 2 eggs so that they're mixed well. Then I'll add 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and I'll mix those in just so that I get that sugar so it's starting to melt and mix. And I'll place all of that in with 1/3 of a cup of melted butter. I'll add my 2 cups of buttermilk, and then I'll mix my wet ingredients together. I really want to get that melted butter dispersed throughout and mixed with it. Then I'll add my dry ingredients to my wet, and I'll mix them together. It tends to clump up just a little bit, and that's okay. The more that you mix it, the more smooth it will be, but it's not a big deal if there are some small clumps in it. So now that it's pretty smooth with just a couple little clumps in it, it's ready to go. Now I'll place 1/2 of a cup of my batter into my waffle maker. Then I'll cook it for anywhere from 1.5 to 2 minutes. One of the nice things about this recipe is that because of the butter in it, I actually don't have to grease my waffle iron. It comes right out. This recipe makes about 9 waffles, which is approximately 6 servings worth, about 1.5 waffles per serving. So now for the taste tester. It's light and fluffy. It has a richness from the butter that's in it, and then it has that lovely tang of the buttermilk. It's actually so good.